Mini Cooper, and the job today is to solve the problem of it not going in to the sensor. As you can see, it's stiff as anything, going from left to right. That's yeah, taking quite some effort. Okay, and the sensor, see, going forward and backwards is a battle, but when you want to change the selector to go up and down, it's not having it. So I've tried the usual greasing it, spraying it with WD-40 or equivalent, and no joy. So we've got the big task now of replacing the cables, which is not great. Go job so far. We've removed the battery tray and air filter assembly. Here we can see I've disconnected these by just prying them off with a flathead screwdriver. These ball socket joints. Just here you can see the retaining clips where you prise those towards the centre of the cable, and then again with the flathead screwdriver, quite a long shank one, and then just lever that up and those will come out with a bit of resistance, but they have been in there for quite a number of years, so they don't really want to vacate the premises. So the next job is to get these off, because those are the mounting rubbers for this exhaust section here, which I need to lower down in order to get to the gear linkage. So happy days, happy days. The centre linkage from the exhaust. That there is some support for the rear section. So we've undone the remaining bolts for the heat shield, and now it's just a matter of swinging it off. Out of the way, and that should reveal our linkages here. Things somehow, maybe if I kind of work that out after, take those four out, drop the assembly down, drag it out, and have a good look at it. That's bolts out of the four corners there, which is a top spring there. There we go. That one's a bit sorry for itself. Fishing about. Get it apart, you got to prise the bottom of this out, and that reveals the linkages underneath, which are held on by the